Hello, children. In this class, we are going to start a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Water and Weather. What is the connection between water and weather? So let's start. Get get set. Okay. Have fun with ice. Take a cube of ice, blow air on it through a straw. A hole will be formed on the cube. Why? Because your breath is warm and it melted away the part of the ice it touched. You can have fun with the ice cube. Take a ice cube, then by a straw blow in one part of the ice. You can see in that part there is made a hole. Why? Because your blow the air of your mouth is hot and it is it melt the ice that part it touched. Let us read about some different forms of water and changing weather. An activity is given here. You can do it in your house with the help of an adult. What is the activity? First, you have to put some ice cube in a tumbler. Then leave them for some time. You can see they are slowly melting and after some time they become water. প্রথমে তোমরা কিছু আইস কিউব নাও এবং সেগুলোকে একটা পাত্রে রাখো, দেখবে সেগুলো কিছুক্ষণ পরে গলে জল হয়ে যাবে। With the help of an adult, heat some water. When bubbles form, it means the water is boiling. Next, here you have to take the help of an adult. First, take some water and boil it. When bubbles come from the water, means it is boiling. Then steam will rise. Hold a cold steel plate against the steam like that. This is steel plate and hold this in the steam, and you can see and you will see small drop of you will see some small drops of water on the plate. Steam has changed back to water on cooling. Okay, by this we can see various forms of water. Ice, water and water vapor are the three forms of water. So water change its form on হিটিং অ্যান্ড অন কুলিং। ওয়াটার তার ফর্ম চেঞ্জ করে যখন তাকে হিট করা হয় বা যখন তাকে কুল করা হয়। ওকে, লেটস লার্ন অ্যাবাউট ওয়াটার সাইকেল। ইউ অলরেডি know about water cycle, so let's revise one time. In nature too, water keeps changing its form, and it is this change that forms cloud and rain. Okay, so let's read about water cycle. When sun shines, the water of river, ponds and lake are heat up and rises in the form of water vapor. In the picture you can see from the sea and from the river the water vapor comes out and it goes to high up in the sky. Okay, high up in the sky the water vapor turn up to tiny particles of water in the come in contact with cold air, and by this they form clouds like that, and on further cooling the tiny drops become heavy and air do not hold them, so then rainfall occurs and it is called precipitation. When rain occurs, the water move back to the river, pond, lakes and oceans. Now the water back in the form that from where it is its journey started. So this cycle of change is called water cycle. Now changing weather. Okay. Here given a conversation of eagle and frog. Eagle, hello Hopper. The temperature today is 45 °C. Frog, yes, Sharpie. I wish it would rain. It's so hot. These are commonly heard words in summer. When the weather changes, so do the words. In summer, it is very hot, and we wish that it would be rain. And another conversation is given here, and they converse about weather, and they say that it is windy day and it may be rain. When we talk about the weather, we refer to the sun, the wind, the clouds and the rain, and these decide the weather. By these four elements we decide the which season is this. And in countries like India, there are only three seasons. The first season is winter season, the second is summer, and the third one is monsoon. However, even during one season, the weather changes from day to day and sometimes from hour to hour. It is possible to change the climate day to day and or even hour to hour. এটাও পসিবল যে কোনো একটা সিজনে ওয়েদারটা চেঞ্জ হয়, ডে টু ডে চেঞ্জ হয় বা আওয়ার টু আওয়ার চেঞ্জ হয়। যেমন লাইক in the morning the sky is clear, there is no cloud, but in the afternoon it is raining. So weather change from hour to hour. এটাও হতে পারে যে কখনো আমরা সকাল উঠে দেখলাম যে আকাশে কোনো মেঘ নেই, আকাশ পরিষ্কার, কিন্তু বিকালবেলায় দেখলাম যে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে, তাহলে ওয়েদারটা চেঞ্জ হলো তখন। The sun affects the weather very much. You can see the temperature in morning is lower than the temperature in the noon. That is why, because in the morning and evening the rays of the sun are slanting, so the heat of the sun do not reach us directly, because the sun is low in the sky. But at noon the sun is overhead and the rays fall straight, so the heat is also fall directly to us, so it is the hottest part of the day. So it is not so hot in the morning and evening. In the winter you would like to warmth of the sun. আমরা শীতকালে আমরা সবাই শীতের সূর্যের রোদ একটু পছন্দ করি। Next, the wind affects the weather. When wind blows gently, it is called breeze. It is not so fast, so we can enjoy the wind. But when the wind blows strongly, it is called storm. and it is very harmful. And thunder, lightning, wind, and rain make up a storm. All these make together storm. The clouds affect the weather. On certain days, clouds block the sun rays. You can see in the picture the clouds block the ray of the sun, and for that the day is not so shiny, and we do not feel so warmth. And cloudy night are hot because the cloud do not allow the heat of the earth escape from atmosphere, so the atmosphere the heat is trapped in the atmosphere, so we feel the heat. And there are some clouds which bring rain. By this type of cloud the rain comes down. The rain affects the weather. How rain affects the weather? When it rains, the part of the earth on which the rain falls become cool. You all know become rain, the weather become cool, and the farmers welcome the rain when it falls on right time because it helps the crops to grow. And for in right time, if it rain right time, the crops are good. However, if there is too much of rain, then flood occurs. Like that, there is excessive amount of water, then it become flood. It damage crops, buildings, and roads. And floods harm living things also. In the opposite of flood, it is drought. ফ্লাডের অপোজিট হচ্ছে ড্রাউট। ড্রাউট মানে হচ্ছে খরা, যখন অনেক দিন জল হয় না কোনো জায়গায় সেখানে ড্রাউট হয়। ইট the drought is because due to lack of rain, and if the drought lasts longer, the animals are die in lack of water, food and water. Weather affects our life. By the weather our life is affected because various weather demands various activities or clothing or food habit. What we wear, eat and enjoy depends on the weather. You all know foggy and stormy weather can cause accidents in the if the weather is foggy and stormy. If we drive in this weather, the chance of accident is more. And travel, sport and outing also are difficult in this season or in this weather. The weather decide the type of house we live in. In the cold region, where in the cold places where heavy snowfall, or in the places where heavy rainfall occurs, their houses are the roofs of the houses are sloping because of the rainfall or snowfall. So let's see how weather affect our lives. In summer season we love to eat various ice creams, but we do not love it in monsoon season. In the monsoon season we love to eat various snacks, and in winter we love to eat tea or coffee. In summer our dress must be like that, loose, because it is very hot outside. In monsoon we have to wear raincoats, it protect us from rain, and in winter we have to wear sweaters and caps like that. Now come to the activities. In summer we love to play in the swimming pool, or we love to bath for long time. Next, in the monsoon our activity must be in at our home. We can draw or we can read books, because it is not possible to go out for the rain. And in the winter we fire a campfire and we sit around it and take the warmth of the fire. So you see that how weather affects our activities, clothing and food. Okay students, that's all for now. We will finish the exercise in the next class. Thank you.